Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by confirming whether the outside handle, inside handle, or latch fails to operate the door. Check both front and rear doors to isolate the single faulty unit. Gather tools: Phillips #2 screwdriver, 10 mm socket and ratchet, 8 mm wrench, flat pry, plastic trim tool, and needle nose pliers. Wear gloves and eye protection. Inspect visible gaps and handle movement. Look for broken plastic tabs, a snapped cable, or a detached metal clip. Take photos of the assembly for later reference and note which fasteners and clips are present. Start by removing the interior door switch bezel using a thin flat pry and unplugging any electrical connectors. Set connectors aside in the order removed. Unscrew the 10 mm fastener at the armrest and any visible Phillips #2 screws. Then pop out 4 plastic clips along the panel edge using a plastic trim tool to avoid damage. Lower the window slightly or secure it, then reach behind and peel back the plastic moisture barrier to access the inner latch assembly. Cables and clips for inspection and replacement. Disconnect the broken cable or detached metal clip from the latch and handle. Use needle nose pliers to release retaining clips and a 10 mm socket to remove the latch assembly if replacement is required. Install the new cable or latch, routing the cable the same way as removed, and secure all clips until you hear a positive snap. Adjust cable tension so the latch closes without excessive force. Reattach the plastic moisture barrier, align the door panel, press in 4 plastic clips, reinstall screws and bezel, then test lock and handle functions several times to confirm repair.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.